Health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
You know that Monday buzz when you're all in, and then by Thursday you feel like, oh, just getting bored. That's why motivation doesn't last, but systems do. Tip 1, set your eating windows and stick to them. Don't overthink it. Have 1 or 2 go-to meals ready, because you've got less decision making then, and then it's just easy to pick it up and go. Might be like a keto mug bread, or a simple egg dish, or even a handful of nuts if you're not actually feeling like you need a meal, you just want a snack. And then the third tip, that's only 2 fingers. Third tip was move a bit, even if it's just you go for a walk, just something that kind of gets you moving. I'm also listening to my hormones at the moment, so from days 1 to 10 in a monthly cycle, I tend to do much longer fasts, maybe like 22, 23 hours. But days 11 to 16, I'll shorten them, so I'll go to kind of 16, 17 hours. Days 7 to 20, I'll go longer again. Then days 21 to 28, I'll try and lower it again. I mean, you should be going to kind of maybe down to kind of 13, 14, so as not to put too much hormonal stress on the body. But I'm really trying, because I've got a lot of kind of visceral fat and insulin to reduce consistently at the moment. Then I'm tending to keep 16 as my minimum. But the point I'm going to make here is I'm going to listen to my body, and if my body starts telling me in part of that cycle that it needs to drop, I'll listen to it. Today I didn't feel like sticking to a plan at all, but because I prepped really simple egg dish already next to the hob, so the eggs were there, I had the butter there, I had the veg there, just cooked off the veg and then added the eggs. It was super quick. Then it just kept me on track, and that was it. That was all I needed to do to reset.
So with that in mind, we're on day 11. It's in sync with my hormonal cycle. So I'd done 16-hour fast today, and I had the scrambled egg for the first meal. I'm eating 2 meals, just a reminder. I'm eating 2 meals and 2 snacks, 1 pudding, 1 snack, maximum a day. So I had the scrambled egg for the first meal, and then second meal was a very simple stir fry with low-carb noodles. It was lovely.
So what I'd say is, don't rely on motivation. Put little systems in place that will help you to just keep yourself on track, help carry you through the tough days. And if you want a bit of a structure to lean on, if you click on the link below, that gives you access to my 7-day healthy reset kickstart plan.
So can't possibly finish a video without talking about energy levels. Yeah, everything is still very good. Cravings low, hunger low, very much sticking with it.
See you next time.